Okay, today, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you how to make your wood pieces for your robotic arm. First, before you move on to the wood pieces, I need to see all of your styrofoam pieces. Okay, I need to know that they have been cut out properly, and that they've been sanded. Okay, if they haven't been sanded, you either need to go to the belt and disc sander and sand them, or take a piece of sandpaper and sand, make sure all surfaces are nice and smooth. Once you can show me that you have all of your parts cut out, and there's a few of them, once you get the okay from me, I will give you an envelope, and inside that envelope there will be 15 sticks. Okay, and then you're going to get a sheet of paper that looks like this. Okay, this is going to be your template in order to cut those sticks. So this is your template. Here's your sticks. Now, once you get your envelope, count to make sure you actually have 15 sticks. Now, there's a bunch of numbers on this sheet. These numbers, the 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9, these are the part numbers. The numbers to the left, 2, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, and 1, those are how many you need of each part. Now, if you add up all these numbers, you might say, well, I'm short on sticks because I only have 15. Well, with some of these, such as like the number 13 and number 11, you can get 2 parts out of 1 stick. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. Here's what you want to do. In the example of the number 13, lay the stick over like that. Take another stick. So now we have that angle. Then if we take it, we turn it around, line everything up, same thing, just like that. Now, we want to make sure we number all of our parts. Now I need to make 4 number 13, so I did that once. I'll just take my other stick and I'll do it again. Okay, so now I've got my 2 13s. I would go and label all of your sticks before you go cutting anything. Number 14s, they're just the whole length. A number 15 is a short one. Same thing, take another stick, use it as a straight edge. $15. 12. Basically, we're just cutting the end off. Number 11. It's basically the stick cut in half. There's 2 sticks. Four sticks. Number 10s. Basically just kind of cut on an angle. It doesn't have to be exact if you're a little off. That's okay. And then number 9s, basically it is a shortened popsicle stick. So what I like to do is trace the end of one, just like that. So now that you've got all of your popsicle sticks marked, it's time to cut them. Now, you don't need to cut these on the bandsaw. You can easily cut them with a pair of scissors. Okay, I would find a good pair of scissors such as this. These cheaper scissors like this probably aren't going to work. These cheaper scissors like this probably are not going to work as well. So find a little heavier duty scissors and basically just cut right on the line. Now, if you're a little off the line, that's okay. And if some of them start to splinter a little bit, actually these really didn't splinter that much, but if they start to splinter, that's okay. It'll still work. 15. So then you'll have this long extra piece left over. That one maybe hang on to in case something else breaks. Number 13s, same thing, just cut them on an angle. So you can kind of see it here where these kind of split a little bit on the 13. That little bit should be okay. If it completely rips in half, like say this, then I would maybe get a new piece. But otherwise, if it stays together, it should be just fine. Number 12s, just got to cut the tip off. Number 10. Just cut an angle just like that. The last part or your piece, the number 9s, we have to cut, just round it. Just like that. Now if you want, do not take this on the belt sander, but if you want, you can sand it using some hand sandpaper. Kind of smooth out that edge, but if it's off a little bit, it'll still work. There you go. So now you've got all your pieces cut out. All these little scraps that can just go in the trash.